guys, I completely messed up. I went and got the tender and rode it over, brought the GoPro, got everything ready, got over there. Guess what wasn't charged up? I only have like 8 or 10 batteries for this thing. Battery, and it was completely dead. I'm such an asshole. I should have came back and got a battery and yada yada yada, but it's like a 1.5 block walk, about 2 blocks from where the van was. I was just being lazy, and I was trying to get it all done before the wind picked up. Oh, Violet's out there having the time of her life, aren't you? I'm gonna eat something, guys, and we're gonna get the ladder mounted on the transom and get the tender set up and try to see if we can't set it up on the davit system. So I'll be back in a short bit. Violet's outside having a crybaby fest. Oh, there she is. Good girl. Just lay down and be quiet. I'm waiting for that to cure so I can finish what I was doing with the little tender, getting it all rigged up. Can you believe my Amazon special flooring is still in there all the way from Ohio? It's all stuck in really good. Joe gave me that crap. I'm gonna put it on the all up on the sides of it too, where there's supposed to be traction, because it's not very traction-y. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do here, guys, and I'm gonna get at it. Haven't even wasted a minute of your time yet. Let me figure out what my next step's gonna be. I'm looking for these for 10 minutes. I got one other pair, but they're like not really safety glasses. They're really nice motorcycle glasses with the foam lining or whatever, and the very light tint for low light, and they're like basically like goggles. So I think that'd be great for sailing in sporty weather. I don't want them scratched up. Anyways, I got my safety glasses. I'm gonna get to work in the aft cabin because we're just waiting for the that 4200 to cure on the transom enough to where I can let the boat be bouncing off that thing and it ain't gonna move the wood block. I guess that takes 24 hours. I didn't really read that. So we'll give it a couple more hours, and I think it should be firm enough to where we can at least put the tender up and see how that works. But right now, let's just get back to this organization. I'm having to leave the vent for the water tank just right here for now because I don't have a vent thing. I bought one, but this hall right, the deck right there is like an inch and a 3/8 thick, inch and a half or inch and a quarter thick almost, or yeah, an inch and a quarter, whatever. It's over an inch thick. This thing will never turn through there. This L-shaped fitting, you can never get it through there. They drilled a huge hole, put it through, and then just smooshed it full of crap. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna find one that you can screw this end on from the outside. Simple as that, right? But until then, I've got to vent this diesel tank, and I'm gonna do that through here. This is gonna be temporary till we do the bit of a refit. So right now I gotta find a hose clamp and get this diesel tank vented. Alright, starboard tank vent installed. Bungee this to here so don't clack around and make lots of noise. Alright, bungee it, I mean zip tie it. And that'll do for now. That'll do. Oh, I cannot wait to tear into this stuff. I'm definitely putting this electrical panel over here somewhere, and moving this wall in, even this, moving this in, and then making probably put my electrical panel right into this wall here. So I plan on having a seat with a pedestal there. Alright guys, so I just start doing stuff. I put that vent tube on, and then I came back here and just started pulling this shit apart. Like, I don't know where I'm gonna put it, either right here or kind of in this area or in the bin. I don't know. It's going in the bin eventually, so I don't care, but I would like to have a little bit of storage back here for the time being. We'll figure it out, and I guess you guys will see it in time lapse. I swear, like, how many GoPro batteries do I need to carry around per day to make it without having to you gotta have a charger and everything. And I have what, 6 in my bag that are always with me, and then 2 more that are in my other camera bag for some reason, but you still burn right through them. Even the time lapse does good though. So anyways, I'm getting off track. This is just a bit overwhelming once I just I'm just like, where can I even, I don't know why did I bring that back here? I think I'm gonna like put that up onto the wall, or up there, but I'm thinking about putting the other one there that's up forward right now, near the galley. I think I'm gonna make it shorter, cut it down shorter, and stick it right there for now. So I'm gonna cut that back, and I'm gonna cut this back, just so it's more open coming down in here, because I just can't stand the claustrophobic feel, and I'm just waiting on the transmission. So plus I just can't imagine underway anything rough trying to, I know you want it tight so you're not all over the place, but I can't do that. I can't do what it was. It was making me crazy, and I kept bumping my head because I'm leaning this way. Whatever. Yeah, you're gonna see probably more thinking than doing, but I'll set the time lapse up, and let's see what happens. can't be trusted with the circular saw, guys. I just started going to town. Just cut it out. I'm gonna cut that down and put it, part of it back right there. And then just look how just so much more open this is. Like, I don't know. And then we got the shelves going up over here instead of there, which will clutter this space down in here a little bit, but we got plenty of room. I'm still going to build another shelf over there in that corner. Eventually I'm going to have a damn tub over there somewhere, and ahead. That's my future. With that, it's hard to envision in this space, but there's a lot of headroom up here yet, so we can build up in here, and I can get, I'm just talking about a small soaker tub or whatever, but I want it from the back. I need to have water. We'll see. Maybe I'll just put no head back here. We got the big one up front. Maybe we'll throw a tub / shower up there instead of the little. That shower is so cramped, man. And there's a ton of space up there. Like, you could have a full-size damn tub up there. And that's what I want, like one of them cedar ones that looks like an oak barrel or whatever, you know, but it's flared out on the side, so it's super comfy, but it's just wood. I want one of them bitches. Fight me in the comments. I don't care. I want one, and I wanted it back here, but the more I look at the space, I mean, this wall can't go in because that air vent's there. There's an air vent that goes to the side of the boat right there, and on this side for exiting hot air, and there's a cold air kind of intake on the other side for the engine room. I always forget about that. But that's right. We'll figure something out. My plan was always have an aft cabin with a tub and head in it, and don't have to be, nothing has to be huge. I mean, there's plenty of room here. It just wouldn't be a private one, you know. We'll figure it out. This bed's gonna be big. I mean, when I move these poles to the corner of the bed instead of in the center of the damn bed, that's gonna change the whole space. Whatever, here we go. We're gonna get right back into it, because I'm wasting time, and after a certain time I can't be making loud noises. So we're gonna get that board cut, get its half put back in place, take the other half of it and incorporate it into the end of this shelf, and we're gonna have to just like put it here and then scab some stuff into the back or whatever, but it's what we're gonna have to do, because this ain't permanent, and I'm not putting anything into it. Like, we're not using this. This is, I need a shelf down in here for to counterbalance. What I'm trying to counterweight is the stupid washing machine is so ridiculously heavy, and it goes right in that corner, and so I'm going to put in this corner a bunch of my Milwaukee pack out boxes, and that'll balance those two out and put a little more weight in the aft cabin. This already took a lot of weight from there, but we centered it, and we're just trying to get more weight in the aft section of the boat, because right now she's sitting a little high in the back. And bringing the Milwaukee boxes back and setting them right there, and that in its place, because with that in its place, we're already listing slightly to starboard, and with my toolboxes right here, perfect. So yeah, whatever. So you guys seen the vent, didn't you? Yeah, I think so. Let me get you guys set up somewhere, and I'll get back at it, because I got my music muted because I can't let it be on the videos.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be real with love that try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
These are the kind of things I do in the middle of the night. It's like midnight. It's probably like 1 in the morning. I came back here to get something and I'm like, oh, that would look much better if it was painted. Whatever, here we are. Anyways, can you believe I missed that? Like, what the hell is going on? This is why you don't do things in the middle of the night when you're tired and beat from doing things all day. Anyways, and I figured as soon as I got going with it, I'm like, crap, why don't I have the camera in here? So here we are. I got the camera set it up. This didn't come out too bad though. It functions really well. Like, it's actually square now, which, you know, we did the Hillbilly Deluxe. Just getting it together, getting it all into one piece. I don't know if I walked through here with the camera, the lights are off. I just put a piece of door skin to seal that part up, and my door skin trim. I'm trimming everything with door skin from now on, fools. I don't know what you're talking about. I just slapped a piece of plywood on the side over here because, you know, that piece of plywood was at the wall. You guys should see how, I know you can't see it on camera, but how laser straight this cut is. I was like, I looked at it for a minute after I cut it and I'm like, damn, did I cut that? It's amazing what a new saw blade will do. It is laser straight. I was so happy with it. Let's click the light on. It's like 1 in the morning. We trim this down to make it, you know, because that was square out to here and to there, and it was kind of in the way. This is a piece of trim that I found. Stacked up back there, and cut it with my coping saw and the regular saw and made it work, but so we still have a grip right here. But it really seemed to open this up, if you can imagine. I don't know how it feels looking through the camera, but you know, this shit was straight out to here. it was so claustrophobic feeling. And then I'm thinking about kind of continuing the seat right there just to fill that space up for now and put up some sort of backrest, but just something to make it feel less like what a big empty space. So there we are. Yeah. Just making it better, a little better with what I got.